case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1964, the Supreme Court of the United States presided over the case of Aro Manufacturing Company v. Convertible Top Replacement Company. This case revolved around the concept of patent infringement and the subsequent damages to be awarded to the patent owner. Ford held a patent for the convertible top structure in their cars, which was assigned to Convertible Top Replacement Company, CTR. Aro Manufacturing provided replacement fabrics specifically tailored for these patented convertible tops. Ford and CTR then sued Aro for patent infringement. The court found Aro liable for sales of fabrics made before July 21, 1955, but not afterward, and ordered a new hearing to determine the damages Aro owed to CTR for pre-agreement infringement. However, the court noted that the amount of damages may be limited due to Ford's agreement with another company, AB. The combination patent at issue covered the top structures of convertibles produced by both General Motors and Ford. General Motors had a license for the patent, but Ford did not acquire one until July 21, 1955. The court ruled that a patent owner could not seek damages from a contributor to the same infringement after already collecting damages from a direct infringer. Therefore, Aro was liable for replacement fabric sales made before July 21, 1955, but not after. The court then ordered a new hearing to determine the damages owed for pre-agreement infringement, keeping in mind that Ford's agreement may limit CTR's recovery. In the end, the court both affirmed and reversed parts of the Court of Appeals judgment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.